What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over XRP, guys. Currently sitting at $1.28. We're up about 3% on the day. We're sitting at our market cap of $55.19 billion. 24-hour volume is $5.67 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, and travel incentives. Look how beautiful they are. Absolutely glorious. All right, guys. So we're here on the 1 hour chart for XRP. Now I've drawn out this inverse head and shoulders, which I posted in the Discord, as well as many other chart patterns that not only me are posting, but other members of the Discord as well. Price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. And we've broken out, guys, and our breakout target from this inverse head and shoulders. Always look for these reversal patterns, guys. When we're going through a correction, we're going through some sell-off, look for your reversal pattern because it's the ultimate entry point for getting back in on a long trade. So your target is up here at $1.32 for XRP. Now, what is XRP doing, guys? It's broken above the 0.786. It's back testing it as support. Incredibly healthy. XRP is incredibly strong. If we jump into the 4 hour time frame, now what happens when you get back above the golden ratio, guys? It gives you a high likelihood of going back to where you started, as well as the 1.272 extension at $1.43. All right, guys, so we're going to jump into the 4 hour time frame. Look how strong XRP is, guys. We come down, we find support on the EMAs. We come up, we get overextended, we break away, we come back, we find support on the 55. We get back above the EMAs, and we're continuing on this beautiful upward movement. Now, there's something I want to show you guys here on the 4 hour. Actually, I'm going to put it on the daily. So look at this, guys. This exciting times here for XRP. So I've taken our FIB from our all-time high down to the swing low. Where are we above, guys? What are we backtesting as support right now? The golden ratio. And what does that mean, guys, when we get back up with the golden ratio? It's not promised, but it gives you a much stronger signal that you're going to go back up to our all-time high at $1.98 and do a little Cardano ADA goodness. Break your all-time high and head for the 1.272 extension at $2.83 for XRP. Now, we will see a correction, a bit of a larger correction before that price target, I'm sure. As you can see here on the daily, we're significantly overbought. We came back down, and we're coming very close to creating a new high and creating a lower high on the RSI. These divergences can take time to play out on the daily, though, so there is still some juicy gains to be made, but do keep an eye on this divergence here on the daily. If we look at XRP on the weekly chart, we are a bit broken away from the EMAs, but it's not too bad in my opinion. We're not seeing that huge gap like we did here in between the 55 and the 20 EMA. So do keep an eye on the weekly as well. When you start to see that larger gap, it does signify a correction. All right, guys, so do keep an eye on that as well. So I just mostly wanted to make you guys aware of this inverse head and shoulders. We have broken out. Our target is $1.32. We're currently back testing the 0.786 as support. Bitcoin is looking healthy. We are seeing a bit of a rising wedge, but we don't have 3 touches yet. We have 1 touch here, 2 touch here, 3 touch here. So if you see us hit resistance, if we start to roll, then keep a close eye on Bitcoin for sure. But as of right now, I think it's a bit too early to make that call here. We're just hitting some resistance at 50K, which is expected. But do keep an eye on that pattern as well for Bitcoin. So that's pretty much for XRP. I will drop in some levels of support here. We're just going to drop in this level here at $1.22, and you could also use your neckline from the inverse head and shoulders at about $1.25. But we would come back, we're holding the 0.786 previous swing high as support. It's looking healthy for continuation in my opinion. And I'm currently in an XRP trade as well as Cardano. I'll throw them up on the screen. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. Beautiful for not charging you fees like Binance does. Binance gonna email me and they're like, bro, we're gonna take down your YouTube channel. We're gonna talk to Google. Follow me on social, smash that like button. See you in the next one. All right, peace, much love.